guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate cupcakes. First you'll need cupcake molds. Put them into a tray as I've done. Next you'll need 4 tablespoons of butter. Eggs, 125 mils of milk, and your cupcake mix. And then put it all together in the same bowl. In go the eggs. And then put in the milk. It's like a big chocolate mountain with water around it. Blend with the electric heater. That's very noisy! I don't know how people even do this. Spin it into the cupcake mold even. The easiest is to hold it above and get it dropped down. And then put it into the oven at 380.
180, darling.
180, sorry.
Good job.
Bake for 25 minutes. Once you're finished cooking the cupcakes, take them out of the oven and put them on a plate to cool down. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the icing. You'll need a packet of Oreo minis, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 4 tablespoons of butter. And then add the frosting mix. Well, there's so much of it.
Yummy?
Yeah, and then you get the spoon. Oh, there you go. To ice the cake, you put it on, you put the icing on and then spoon it on the back. Spin it around on the back. Spread it around on the back of it. And then put an Oreo on top, however you like. And that's how you make a chocolate Oreo cupcake. Get this